Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $175 every hour just by reading. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And as soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, family, I'm at this website. Name of the website is Voices. So this is the #1 marketplace for voiceover and audio production. So people come on here to hire professional voiceover actors, audio producers, musicians, or translators for creative project. So what you're going to do, guys, you are going to do voiceovers. So what you're going to do is just scroll all the way down, and you're going to click right here where it says find work. It's going to take you to this page right here. So it says here, get invited to projects as unique as your own creativity. So receive invites, respond to jobs, build your portfolio, and make money doing creative work that you love. Now, you're going to get paid for your unique skills. So whether you're just starting out or you've been hustling for years, nothing beats doing what you love while getting paid to do it. Better yet, with our free payment protection service, SurePay, your funds are automatically sent to you when you're done, meaning you'll never have to chase a payment again. So you're going to worry less, work more. So with access to over 42,000 companies posting more than 5,000 jobs each month, the Voices Marketplace help you to focus less on finding work and more on getting paid to do it. So you'll be able to focus on creative tasks, not mundane ones. So with our free Voices profile, you can establish a professional online presence and upload your best creative work without having to build or purchase an expensive website. Now, here are the clients that this website work with. These are big, real big brands, guys. So you got Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery, Los Angeles Times, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Hulu. And as I stated earlier, there's 5,000 plus jobs posted monthly, 42,000 companies looking for talent just like you, and 100 million earned by talent. Wow, guys, that's a lot. That's a lot. Now, how Voices work. So you're going to create a profile, upload some samples. So sign up, create your profile, upload your samples. The more information you provide, the easier it is for clients to find and invite you, and the better you can match you with work. So you reply to jobs, so receive private invitations from clients via profile, or upgrade to Voices Premium to automatically receive invites to jobs that match your skills. Then you'll get hired. So do the work. Once you're hired, you'll use our purpose-built and intuitive platform to chat with clients, upload work, and manage revisions. Then finally, guys, you're going to get paid, guaranteed. Focus on the work instead of payment. With sure pay, your pay is held safely until the work is done, and then it's sent directly to you via PayPal. So you need to have a PayPal account, guys. Now, you're probably wondering how much you're going to get paid. Okay, guys, now this is how much you will be getting paid to do the voiceover. So from 0 to 2 minutes, the budget is $100 to $249. And as the minutes increase, the amount of money that you get paid will increase. As you can see right here, this one from 2 minutes to 5 minutes, the budget is $250 to $499. This one from 5 minutes to 15 minutes is $500 to $449. The next one's $700 to $50 to $999. Then you have, if you are doing voiceover for 45 minutes, that's $1,000 to $1,249, guys. So you can make some good money doing this, guys, and you don't have to be a professional. All you need to do is be able to read fluently English, and you can get paid some good money. So that's all I'm going to say about this website, guys. If you want to learn more, just go to voices.com, sign up, and get started. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright, guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to do shout outs, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment. So the shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Keep checking out my videos. Keep sharing my videos if you're sharing them. Please keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. Alright, guys, that's it. Road to 7,000 is coming soon, right around the corner. Let's get there, guys. Okay, guys, so on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one comes out. Peace and have a prosperous day.